Hi everyone. Today I'm going to create a Power App. Click on New App, click on Canvas, and it will show you this page where you can select. I'm going to select phone layout. You can select tablet layout too if you need, but skip this introduction and this is our home page. The gallery, I'm going to insert the gallery and it will ask for the connection. Gallery to connect with which database. So I'm going to search for SQL. Click on SQL. It will give me all the tables in SQL Server database. I'm going to select agent test and connect. So once it connect, it give me data from the table. It have agent name and phone number. So let me do one thing, change the font color so it's white. Now I can see it very clearly, and also I'm going to insert city also here. So click on label and it gives you by default other. If you click on inside the gallery, it will give you other field name in the table. So change the font color to white and just minimize it. Make it little smaller and make it. Uh, Let me move it also so they align nicely. Alright. Yeah. I don't have any image, so I'm going to remove the image. Oh, sorry. Accidentally yeah. See here you can make it small font like size also. So right now it's 54%. If you want to make big or small, you can do that. Now I'm going to add a label also for this gallery. So what I'm going to do is this one is agent name. What agent name? All right. Make it white color. Same thing. I will copy it and then paste it here. I didn't copy. Let me copy and paste it. So first one was agent and second one is going to be my city name. Let me move it a little higher and move it. This is city name. The third one is going to be my phone number. Alright. Now we are going to add we'll give this screen a name. So let's give the name also first. And this name is going to be agent detail. Let's put it in the middle and increase the size of the font and the color. Alright, now we are going to insert a control which will be used for search. So I'm going to add text input. Yeah, here you go, where we are going to search the data, search any string, and let me add icon also for the search, which will be, which will tell the user that what this input box is for. So I'm going to remove this input text because we don't need anything here now. That's all. So everything is ready. Let me move a little bit further here. So what I'm going to do now is on the gallery, I'm going to add the search function. So here on items, because I want to search in the gallery, search, this is the source, and what text is text input 1. So text input 1 dot text. All right, and then what, where, which fields you want to look for these, the search. So I want to look in agent name, and then working area, which is my city name, and I also want to look for in the phone number. These are the three fields I'm going to look the search. All right, so now this is done. And so let me see first search is working. So let's say ban. So ban is like wherever ban is finding, it's bringing the record. See, I can see Bangalore wherever, it's easily I can tell why these records are coming. But this record, I have to really look why this record is coming, because of this ban. So if I can highlight it, then it will be easy for me to see that why that record came, what was the reason for this record to come in my search. So to highlight these, what we have to do is, we first thing is we come here and we store that ban our string text to the variable. So select that, and when do we want to save that in variable? When we change something, like we enter a new string whenever. So on change, we are going to put this, and we will check if it's not blank. So not is blank is a function, and then what is not blank? Is text input 1 dot text. And what we do, if it is not blank, then store it in the variable. So for that we use update context. Uh, and what context? So I'm going to give the variable name for search from text input 1 dot text. Close with curly braces and close it, and then close the if. Sorry, if if it is not blank, then save that string, otherwise do nothing. Or if you leave it like without that also is fine. So only it will store the data when this is not blank. Alright, so it's blank, it's coming true, so then our search will have the data. So this is our variable. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to this label, which is named title1, which is actually agent name, and going to go in the color. So go to color here, and here what we are going to do, we are going to use find function, which we will look for. If you find the string which we store in the variable inside the title1, then the color, give the color whatever you want that color to be. So to find, we have to make sure that it's case sensitive. So make sure that our string which we are searching and where we are searching both are in same either lowercase or uppercase because it's case sensitive. So fine, I'm going to put lower my um, variable and find this variable where? Find it to lower title 1. Title 1 dot text. I'm going to search it here and then close it. If you find it greater than or equals to 1, that means there is a data. Then if you find it, then do the yellow color, otherwise leave it white. Alright, so what we are going to do is we are going to copy it. So it did yellow color because it has band. Let's go to the next one. City. City also same thing, we are going to color and paste it, and then instead of title 1 this is subtitle, so it is going to be subtitle 1. Yeah, it is this one. Oh no, not this one, sorry, this one is label 1. So let's rename it to label city. Alright, let's rename it. Let's copy first for the phone, and this is a label city. So this is label city, and let's go here and color it. So yeah, there is something not right because I see all three are, in yellow color. So that means it's we have to look into something why they did not, like they all are yellow color, which is not the correct thing, right? So let's see what is happening. If I remove it, I still see the yellow color, all are yellow color. So something is not right with that condition we put. Let me see what is going. Right now it's empty. So so you know how you can hover over it and see the value, what value it's producing. It's, see below, find is producing 1. That means it's matching our condition, and that's why yellow is coming. That means if this is empty, like there is nothing in it, so title 1 has, it's matching somewhere where it's finding nothing, and that's why it's giving. So what else we have to put the condition to restrict this thing? We have to check that input, text input 1 is not blank. So not is blank, uh, text input 1 dot text. It's not blank. So then now we'll copy this. See, now this is showing white because there is nothing here. Now same thing we have to do here with the second condition, and same thing we have to do with the third condition. Now it's blank, there is no yellow color, it has to be white color. So now let's test it. If I say ban, so what is it, give highlighted this one. So ban, I found ban here, ban here. There's no ban. This one also, there is a ban, it's highlighted. That means ban is in this string. So yeah, it is ban is here. So if you enter and wherever Bangalore, it's highlighting that. Now, for example, if you want to look Mumbai. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to add another video with selecting a cell and highlighting it in the gallery.